Hello students, welcome to the social studies class. Children, I hope you all are fine and studying also. Today I am going to continue the same lesson, lesson 8, safety first. The topics which we will study are number 1, first aid and emergency numbers. Second topic, good touch and bad touch. Children, despite following all the safety rules at home or at school or on roads, accidents do happen, isn't it? So today we are going to learn about first aid and emergency numbers. Kindly open your book, page number 69. If we see that someone is injured, we should give them first aid immediately. Despite following the safety rules, accidents do happen, and if a person is injured, we should give him or her first aid. What is first aid? First aid is help given to a person who has been hurt. A first aid box has all the things required when a person gets injured. For example, it has cotton, scissors, a pair of scissors, antiseptic lotions, bandage, etc. These things can be used to give the first aid. We should follow the following first aid rules. Before you do anything to help your friend, make sure that it is safe for you to help. If your friend is in a dangerous place, like in the middle of the road, if he or she has fallen off a bike, then move them to a safer place. Do not move a person who may have a bad injury. A person who is badly injured is needed, cannot be given first aid by you. Then you have to call some other people for help. Second point, find out if your friend is awake and able to talk to you. Call out to the person. You can see by tapping the face or on the shoulder whether the person is able to talk to you. You can ask what had happened and where it hurts. Ask someone to help you or get someone to dial 102 for ambulance. These things can be done when a person is injured on the road. If there is minor injury, then you can handle it. Pressure on a bleeding wound is usually enough to stop the flow of blood. You can put pressure on the wound and stop the bleeding. Then use an antiseptic lotion to clean a wound, and then you can tie a bandage on the wound. If a person catches fire, then water should be put immediately, or you can ask the person to roll down, or you can fall on the ground and roll on the ground. This works when the person is outdoors, because grass is very good and the grass will stop the fire. In case of burns, place the burned part under cold running water or put ice. Apply an anti-burn lotion if it is available. Children, you can see some of the emergency numbers. These numbers you must remember. For police, for calling police, you can dial 100. For ambulance, dial 102. For fire, 101. And for disaster management, 108. These are the emergency numbers which you should use in case you need it. Now children, come to the next topic, good touch and bad touch. We should know the difference between good touch and bad touch. What is good touch? Good or safe touch is touch which makes you feel good and happy. For example, if your mother hugs you, that is a good touch. Grandparents holding hand, that is also a good touch. Doctor giving injection or doing a checkup, all these are examples of good touch or safe touch. Bad touch or unsafe touch is touch that makes you feel unpleasant, unhappy, and you want it to stop immediately. For example, feeling hurt or pain, or if someone is pushing you or grabbing you. These are the examples of bad touch. Now children, look at the pictures. These are the pictures which shows safe touches. In the first picture, you can see a mother holding her child. In the second picture, a doctor is examining a child. In the third picture, the mother is giving bath to her child. Next picture, you can see grandfather with the grandchild. Here also you can see a child with his father. And here, two friends together. All these are examples of safe touches. Children, on page 71, there is an exercise. Write G for good touch and B for bad touch. Here some pictures are given. You have to see and write the answer. Now see the first picture. Here you can see a child is being hugged by her elder sister. That is a good touch. In the second picture, you can see two children are fighting, pushing. This is a bad touch. So write B here. Third picture, you can see a person is holding a child's hair unnecessarily. This is a bad touch. And the last picture is good touch. So the answers are G, B, B and G. So children, I hope you have understood today's lesson. Read the lesson yourself and also learn the difficult words. That's all for today. Thank you.